Hello dear students, today you are going to learn class 11's snapshot books 4th chapter Albert Einstein at School written by Patrick Pringle. In this lesson, Albert Einstein's early life at school is explained. In the school, Albert's straightforward and honest behavior was taken root. These extract from the Albert Einstein's biography record the unhappy period of his schooling in Munich. Munich is the place where he was living. Einstein was expelled from the school, and what was the reason behind that? It is given in this chapter. At his school, Einstein was not at all enthusiastic about the study of history. He felt it was more important to study ideas than facts. His teacher at the school in Munich were displeased with him. Albert, in confrontation with his history teacher, when the teacher asked him in what year the Persian had defeated the French at Waterloo, Albert flatly replied that he did not know, and this led to a heated exchange between them. When he was further asked why he did not try to learn them, he again replied honestly that there was no point in learning dates which could be checked in a book by anyone. This reply angered his teacher greatly, who responded asking him again whether he saw no point in learning facts which formed the basis of his school education at that time. To this again, Albert honestly replied that he did not see any point in learning facts. Now his teacher became sarcastic and asked him to tell the class Einstein's theory of education, and ultimately Albert pointed that he did not see any point in learning dates of battles or which army killed more men, but he would be rather interested to know why those soldiers were trying to kill each other. This made his teacher go mad with anger, and he scolded Albert viciously and asked him to stay back after school for an extra period. He was very straightforward. He spoke whatever was in his mind. Of course, he used to feel miserable in class like that of history. His mind was great mind of science, which used to be in search of true working of universe and time and other dimensions. He believed in reasoning. He liked to know the why behind the things, not how and when. His math teacher was the only person in the school who recognized the hidden genius in him. This was the only class which Albert enjoyed. Albert used to live in the poorest quarter of Munich area. His living quarters offered no relief. There was dirt and squalor and plenty of slum violence. His only friend were Yuri, a medical student, and Eliza, his cousin from Berlin. They tried to cheer him up. He likes to study science. He was exceptionally good at maths. He also played on violin to console himself. After 6 months, Einstein could take it no more. He wanted to get away from school. He asked his friend Yuri to find a nerve doctor who would give him a certificate of nervous breakdown and recommend rest for his 6 months. Yuri found Dr. Ernest Well but told Einstein to be absolutely truthful with him. Dr. Well felt he was really close to a nervous breakdown and gave him a certificate also. Einstein's next plan was to return to Milan where his parents lived. He asked his math teacher for a reference which would enable him to continue his education in Milan. The next day, before Einstein could present the medical certificate, he called by the headmaster and asked to leave the school. Einstein had been expelled for constant rebellion. Yuri was the only person he wanted to say goodbye, as according to the teacher's report, it was impossible to teach during his presence at school. Albert gets angry due to the wrong blame on him, but does not utter a word and leave the school with pride and happiness. So, students, that's all about the extract of Albert Einstein's biography. If you like the video, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.